Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at SPY, S&P 500, that is QQQ, that is Nasdaq. And then we'll take a look at tech stocks, Microsoft, Apple, Google, Amazon, Meta, and Netflix. So let's see what is the market telling us, what are the price action, what type of trades could be taken, how is the structure looking like, are we still bullish, what to do with the price action here, right? So let's talk about all of that. But before that, I also want to let you know, none of this is any financial advice. It's only for education purposes. Please do your own thing. I'm just sharing here my opinion, nothing more than that. All right. So SPY. Well, let's start off with I want to show you off a little bit my bots as well. So choppy day on SPY for us today, but still net profitable. And you can see the data on the left side. A lot of green days. I'm liking it. Today's was, a negligible profitable day, very small profitable day, but you can see other days has been really great. We only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, only 6 red days out of the last 30 trades on SPY. That means 24 profitable days out of 30. And then this is on QQQ. Today was a choppy day on QQQ, but still came out net profitable. And again, guys, there will be red days as well. You can see the data, but we are still net profitable on QQQ as well. And then just to show you around some other tech stocks as well. So this is Microsoft profitable today as well. Great moves, net profitable. I'm just going to pick and choose here. Taking a look at Meta. Meta also a profitable day today, and also we are net profitable. And then Netflix. And yeah, Netflix also net profitable. You can see the data there. And today also was a profitable day. Again, yeah, if you need access to my tools, links are in the description below of this video. All right. So let's do that, and let's go to the SPY first. Let's talk about that. So going to the daily interval. All right, speaking of the structure first. Structure is bullish, guys, period. No questions asked, okay? So as long as SPY is above this, as long as it's above this 20 days moving average, SPY will still remain bullish. I have a blue box here for a reason, and actually let me see something here real quick on my indicator. And I thought so, Junior Traders thought so. Here we go. I just updated my universal indicator. If you're a member, you would have received an email, because if you're seeing this video, it's easier to just tell you here as well, but you would have received an email from me to update the bot with the instructions. I'm sorry, this indicator with the instructions. So just please follow that email to do that. All right. Now, yeah, so SPY structure is still bullish, guys, as long as we are above this $539, $537 level. Blue box, we are still bullish. Now, intraday can more cool off come. Well, very simple. If SPY breaks level tomorrow, 544, some continuation cool off may come, because my worry is that that will then form, at least on the near term, this lower high. Otherwise, if SPY continues up from here, like even breaking above 546.92 can continue higher. But it's only an intraday trade right now. Overall, if you want to look for a swing long position, best, again, technically take partial profits out. This was the time, these were the times to take positions, right? Back from here, I was calling out SPY as bullish, bullish, bullish. These are the time to take partial profits on the swing position. Intraday, you can still trade long or short, but the next good reload on the swing would be in the blue box area or 20 days moving average. If you still want to reload, whatever, it's up to you, but have a stop loss regardless. Taking a look at hourly interval as for how the intraday price action is looking like. So here's the thing, guys. So in the post market, SPY is selling off. So if SPY tomorrow loses the 544, it will come down again to 200 hours moving average. That's an intraday trade. Otherwise, if it stay out and above of 544, if it even starts the day higher, this has a room to continue to stay high up here. Other choppiness on or can continue higher. Any break of the levels to the upside is just a continuation to the upside. I would not short swing it. No, it's only intraday short if those levels break. And the overall structure is still bullish though on this until this blue box has a lot 20 days moving average as it's coming up. But yeah, so overall structure on this is still strong on the market though, but I gave you the intraday plays as well. QQQ, similar to SPY, very bullish still. And yeah, still very bullish on QQQ. This is the next structure, 473, 20 days moving average with this support is still just a buy on this thing. And I would argue that even QQQ is not going to just become bearish right away. it's going to go through a lot of distribution even if it has to break those levels. Right now I would just suggest, like, these pullbacks, when they happen, when you start to see confirmation to the upside on the lower time frame, for example on QQQ it was that 200 hours moving average support holding there, that was the upside play. Now my worry is that in the post market it's selling off, so my worry is that this 200 hours moving average retest. So if we lose that, it may not come in tomorrow. We might still see some bounce here at 200 hours moving average, but if we close lower here tomorrow, then on Friday you can see if we lose that level to the downside, that will be a little bit of a problem then. All right, but yes, on QQQ, that will just give you an opportunity to get close to 20 days moving average and then try to see the price action. If it holds support here, you still intraday long can be played, and then we'll see if it goes into the distribution phase. Microsoft. So Microsoft here, guys, still full on bullish, no sign of structural change on this. If from here it has to even give us a cool off to 20 days moving average, it has to first lose 446, otherwise no, this thing is just bullish, full on bullish right now. Apple, as I have been saying through these red days, that guys, that's just a pullback on Apple. Anything close to 20 days moving average, that's just a pullback, and you can see that pullback has just gotten bought back up. So structure is still bullish, guys, on Apple. Okay, yeah, it can, pullbacks are just a buys. Don't buy blindly. The principles of buying, right? As if you have been seeing my videos on lower time frame, you have to see consolidations, double bottoms, these important levels holding, and things like that, right? And yeah, but overall structure is bullish, so your better bet is just to let the cool offs happen and then just play the pullback back to the upside. Google. So Google still full on bullish, guys. We got above that level 180 all-time highs now again, and yeah, no sign of short. Structure on this is still bullish as long as we're above 178 and 79 cents now. Also 20 days moving average. This thing just, yeah, all pullbacks on this can just result into buys, and it's still bullish. So we'll see what happens eventually. Let's take a look at hourly interval on this thing. If any intraday plays that could be taken, I would just say even if any pullbacks comes, you're better off letting the pullback happens, and at these levels like 180, wherever the rebound starts to hold level, just play the pullback back to the upside, intraday rebounds or so forth, because structure is still bullish on Google. And similar principles you will apply across Microsoft, Apple as well, because they are also bullish, right? Amazon. So guys, so what I've been saying is that back then when Amazon was right over here, I said that wait, all right, because this is not the time to trade it short. This is once it loses 20 and 50 days moving average fully, and then it loses 180, that will bring the weakness. Otherwise no, this thing would just hold a higher pivot here and can continue higher, and we have been just going higher and higher on Amazon, and this was another leg up, another pullback on this, and structure was still bullish on this, and that just was a higher pivot, and those pullbacks are just getting bought back up. Amazon is still bullish. Meta. I don't know if I showed you my board on Amazon, but it's profitable as well. So if I real quickly show you on Amazon as well, my day trading bot, you can see the data here on the left hand side as well. Last 30 trades really profitable. Only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, only 5 red days. So out of 30 trades on Amazon, 25 have been profitable trades. Yeah. Anyways, if you need access to my tools, as I said, links are in the description below of this video. Again, there is guarantee of nothing. There are red days as well. Use them at your own risk. All right, that's Amazon. Meta. So Meta, the last video that I did on Meta, I talked about that how we are still bullish. 20 days moving average just a support. I gave you 2 levels to watch for the pullback support, right? One was right around the corner here, 20 days moving average, and this 494, and we held the support here, continued higher. The next level I gave you was just around this pivot area of 483 around, and we didn't get there, but if we would have, that was another support area to play the upside. Structure is still bullish, and that's why I gave you this level 494 into the pullback, because that's where the pivotal structural support with 20 days moving average was, and also this previous little bit of a candle reaction down here at this another pivot. So that's why this was the level, and we have been bullish still, so been going up. Netflix. All right, Netflix, structure on this is still bullish. I drew this blue box for you guys a couple of days ago, and I said that any pullback into this is just a buy. We got that buy back to the upside. Wick also formed on one of the days. That was a strong sign, and Netflix is still bullish. There is no structure change to the downside. Again, time to take time to take positions are in these pullbacks, and then take partial profits in the extensions. Now, intraday, you can use these levels for a best possible position, and any other intraday level as well in lower time frame. When we are in one of the uptrends or one direction, allow the direction to cool off, either rebound or pull back based on if it's going uptrend or downtrend. Overall structure, in this case it's overall uptrend. So pullbacks, as long as on the lower time frames those consolidations happen, double bottoms happens, pullbacks are just a buy. That's the way to trade. Okay, and just don't buy the falling knife. Let the price consolidate in an uptrend. When we are in the uptrend, then you're playing the intraday long as well. But if price is cooling off into the pullback, let it cool off, let the consolidation happens, let the patterns like double bottom, inverted head and shoulder on lower time frame forms, pivots form, and then play the long. All right, and similarly you will do reverse on when the overall structure is in the downtrend. And also, if you're interested in following along in the journey of my dividend investing portfolio, and today my YTSL ETF, my Tesla stock ETF, in other words, the YTSL, is looking awesome. Check out this channel of mine. Link will be in the description of this video. And with that, I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.